beloved guest, Ma'am Lisa Balongo, Education Program Supervisor at AEP. To our executive assessments to the Mayor, Mr. Bonifacio D. Carlon. To our ever-dynamic principal, Engineer Isagani M. Alandoni,
Teacher D, Ma'am Anya Pito, Head Teacher 1, teachers, guests, parents, friends, benefactors, stakeholders, and computers, good morning. Special thanks to Tumar Pasaforte family, our lot donor where our vote for the champions is now located. It has been 13 years
F. Sir William Jr. and upon the recommendation of your school principal, Engineer Isagani Alandoni, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the junior high school curriculum. I hereby confirm and approve your moving up ceremony and completion ceremony. As such, you are now entitled to all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations, completers, and you are now ready to move up to senior high school.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Lisa A. Balongo and Sir Isagani M. Alandoni. This time, the message of the Head Secretary will be read to us by Ma'am Lisa A. Balongo, the Education Program Supervisor.
Great Secretaries, Name, Almelia John Michael D. Balongo Ray Van C. Banyas Leonard Vector Z. Lorenzo James B. Linear Val Christian Dominic. Nicomosino Nathan Darcy.
For the knowledge you have given us and all the lessons you have shared with us. We truly owe you all that we are. To our beloved parents, especially to my tatay and nanay, thank you for all their sacrifices just to provide my enough needs and for loving me unconditionally. I do believe all parents are doing their best to be a good providers to their children. Indeed, our parents are trying to make a decent living for us to become more productive member of our society.
Another batch with honors for the grade 10, we have Garcia Generals O. Henriloso Ashley E. Ear Benchit B. Hilokert Brian A. Gonzalez Mary Rose V. and Gregorio Princess Bella C. The completion song by the completers. We kind of request everybody, the completers to please stand. We would like also to